How to invite Collaborator and IdeaBuddy. In order to do that, you need to head over right here to your homepage on your dashboard. And in here, you can see the users. And in here, you can see all the users. But if you want to invite someone, you just need to head over and click on this Invite Collaborator. Click on this one. And then just enter in here a valid email address of that person. So let me head over and put in here an email address. Now, once you have added right here your email address, you can also add an invitation message. So you can make them a guest wherein they should be able to access all of your idea or just one idea, or you can also make them a buddy wherein nobody can edit, copy, export, and share all your work. So it's like, so I'll head over and then just add them on my first idea and then click on this send invitation. Then once I have done that, as you can see, invitation has been sent. And then as you can see, the invitation is pending. So whenever that person has accepted my invitation, they should be able to be added to the IdeaBuddy. So that's how you invite Collaborator and IdeaBuddy. Help